What's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to review the major indices and a few stocks that I think are worth watching to trade this week. Let's get into it. Taking a look at QQQ, it is trying to reclaim this $582 level. It is very interesting to see because we had previous support around November 21st of 2025. If you go on the month chart here, though, we had a rejection that is now lining up to potentially turn into support. So right here on March 6th, we had a support level. It was broken right here, and now we are trying to hold $580 per share. That will be an interesting play for next week. We need to see, do we get this continuous momentum? Can we break the resistance of 588? Moving over, looking at the SPY, as we focus on this now, it is important to notice that SPY is actually over $650 per share. If you look on the 5-year chart, we're still maintaining this uptrend. We had a bounce from $628, and now zooming in a little closer on the 3-month chart, it is evident that this level is trying to hold. $650 is a must hold for the SPY, so I would be watching this for a bounce up. Moving forward, let's go over some of our major indices such as SMH, the Van Eck Semiconductor ETF. And when you zoom out on the 6-month chart, we had previous support or resistance around 370 rejection, 370 rejection turned into support in January of 2026, was retested in February, retested again in March, and then it failed to break below. So watching this, we need to see, are we going to break above and move towards $400 per share? As you zoom in on the 1 month, you can see $400 is going to be a clear point where we could have some resistance right now. I want to get into some of the major stocks here. Mag 7, Google stock. Looking at this, we are trying to reclaim this level right here around $290 per share. If you zoom in on the last 5 days, it has retested twice. This is what I'm looking for, retest here to go long at these levels if we pull back to $290 per share. What I would really like to see is, do we pull above and get above $300 per share? Breaking above 300 is going to open an opportunity for Google, so I would be watching that. Microsoft stock, you guys know I love this stock. I've been buying the dip on these guys. To me, this is way oversold. This has offered great buying opportunity. I'm continuing to accumulate shares in this spot. You see this green candle? That is me buying right there, pushing it up. So looking for here right now, what we need to do is get above this $390 per share. If we break above 390, I think we could see $415 per share. I would be watching that level. The next stock I want to look at is Meta stock. If you look at Meta stock on a 1-year chart, it broke this very strong support at $580 per share. It is starting to reclaim this level. So this is a must reclaim on Meta stock. You need to get above this level. If we can get above here, this would be interesting. Looking for this push higher, 580, a move back to 600. Another stock that I think should be on your radar is Visa stock. This is a stock I'm still waiting to buy long term. What I want to do is wait until we get to the bottom of this trend channel right here in green, around $250 per share. I would be very interested, but it is on my radar. The alerts are set, and just looking at year to date, Visa is offering an opportunity. Visa is down from 373 all the way down 20%, down to $300 per share. It is something that I want you to have on your radar. It is trading in the middle of the channel, and it does offer an interesting ROI opportunity. Amazon, we have been talking about this stock. It's all over my TikTok. Amazon is a stock that should be bought. It is holding $196. It held it 3 times. It's going to start to move up. If we get a little bullishness in the overall market sentiment, I see no issues with Amazon breaking $215 and then making that move up higher, so I would be watching that. AVGO is another stock that had a nice fake out, sold down to 289, has bounced back up to about 307. I would be watching. Let's see, it needs to hold $310 per share. What would give me more confidence is if we can break past this mini resistance right here at $315 this week. This stock is very volatile. It likes to move 10 to 15 points in one day. It's got to get above this 315 to make its move to next resistance around $327 per share. So I would be paying attention to that level right now. If you want to take this further and discuss stocks with me individually, make sure you check out the WHOP.com link right here. You click on this, subscribe, and you will be able to directly chat with me. Also, be sure to check out our newest videos that are popping out on the YouTube channel, Trading Simplified, and members only for you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you next time.